My name is Sunita. I am teaching education for 11 and 12 class. Unit number 3 gi makha chatharak poina informal agencies. Tang mamangi class ta ina agencies of education da explain tabjakhare formal, informal and the non-formal. Adubu ngasi sina koina council gi syllabus ki matungina informal agencies of education si makha lok thajage. Informal agencies that there are so many informal agencies of education. Yam lai hre ko akogi environments is that there are so many yam lai hre but aina lokha chagadori basna kogi syllabus da yauba syllabus na prescribe tawba dugumba topic sing do adu ina dum lokha charake. Informal agency habadi koina external environment gi fangiba dugumba education du boy koina informal education hana gawi adugi magi agency sing do matang ay sum hajarake hanbada home habadi home or family habini ko duna angang apik pa angang amda ju hangaga sudum what is family haina hangachu home habis family habis adum amatani then angang amada apik pa angang amda dum hangaga sum koina dum yam line num khong kaneba habdi home or family is the we are living together, eating together, enjoy together, and see having a sing about so many answers me amangang sing dum piba ngami ko habdi home is loin ba mi pung kun mung loin khang nei the family or home habis the is an social universal institution ne koi myam sing si hep kolok padagi na si ba ba da koi we all belongs to our home akogi family says that koi si ba ba dum pok padagi si ba ba dum belongs to our lay doing but says that in a discuss talk doris bisina about the agency amo inani sagi home habis says that as an agencies of informal education habidi education ga mari leina bado adu do hana adu ne ina chidesta home or family is the first institution of a child and the parents are the first teacher of a child. You have say family have the word family is derived from the Latin word famulus which means a servant. Aduna you mama dagi koina social qualities and the leadership personalities miyam sing say koina you mama dagi loina ba koina develop taro ka doineba. Then how to eat, how to go, then how to dress, how to interact with the others. Having ba akogi makhan gi akogi activities mayam se mi angang magi activities mayam se yum masidagi loin bak tamaga loin bak lakto mayam ne aduna magi yum masidagi everything akoina family have sidagi akoina learn to do ne but koi agency amona mu yengsi ko agency amona mu yengsi angang magi how far the family have a greater role in the education of a child. What is the role of the family for the education of a child? Angang amagi education the family gi magi role si kari no. Asa suki matik sa kari. It is very important. Have the angang amase koina magi education the heck admission torok padagi hauna magi different magi professional semak matam da have the suppose example say doctor tamhal hairo engineer hairo then civil service bo hairo then general line bo hairo then any other technical line bo hairo angang aduna tamgodori ba matam se sida angang adugi magi mangon the beer to dori ba financially then magi top magi mangon the support of dori ba then choose of the magi selection of the trade khandori ba asimi am sing says the angang dagi marum the just behind kana go bakhar leiba they are the parents question the parents ne parents do yaw ko the angang du matom the education se kayam bayam tam kamain tong do aduna sagi the role of the family say it is very important for the education of a child. Aduna family happens to give magi bagano di type T informal agency neba. Aduna koi matang sida makano makak ain hapke definition na makatang hapke according to Ballard. A family is the original social institution which all other institutions have developed. See, ina makatang definition si hapke. Aduna family happens it is very important for the education of a child. Next, community happens community or society. We are the human beings and we are the social beings neba. Social beings itom da na itom hingba jiban na deba. Koi di pulap society amanda na the community amanda koi se belongs to koi pulap hingmi neba adugumba koi singse social beings neba. Aduna society magi na kanglon magi lejari ba mayam du dagi koi tonga na taba ya deba. Dumba tonga taba mi sing de koi na mentally disorder oiba mentally koi kanogumba abnormal oiba gumba haitare ko aduna community have a sigi magi role si so yamna chawiba adu han bada koina the word community is comprised of two Latin words means togetherness and the munist means to serve. Hence, the meaning of the community is to serve together. Habidi akhoi miyam sing se pulap leiminna ba habidi ne magi meaning is the carry tawriba akhoi gi keno se carry tawri se. Duna in particular area with more or less common practiced ideals, value, culture, traditions, ways of life. Duna karigumba akhoi community amagi society amagi hariba mayam sing se loina mug legeneba. Duna akhoi sing se akhoi sing se madubunga na conserve tawna akhoi sing se day to day life to the spontaneously dum yar chakidoineba. Matam aduna human beings lairiba akhoi human beings mayam sing se na developed or ba qualified or ba automatically sagi community do dum automatically dum develop tor ko doineba. Duna akhoi sing se human beings mayam sing se akhoi community have a pot am khak chau the pot am khak lai se asidagi akhoi tongana leba sungya ya deba ko. Aduna community have is an agencies of the informal education neba. Sidasu a definition am khatang amu hapke definition today according to Ogburn and Nivcon ka definition is the definition of the community. A community is a group or collection of groups that inhabit a localities. Next, number 3, the informal agency, the religious institutions. Religious institution habis na masida akhoi religious institutions sings da akhoi develop to the humanities values miyam de neba. Humanities value, humanitarian value haitare ko. The miyoiba amada akhoi na sagi chengadaba gun singdo good character ko adigi self determinations habidi chengada riba igi gun myam sing se akhoi morality si myam sing gi source kai do gi bunga sagi religion haiba pochi do organe adu hana muk yengsi the term religion is derived from the Latin word religare, which means to bind man to man. Habani ko man to man akhoi gi Latin word to gi lakpani religion haiba se aduna religion haiba si kariga mari lene ge haiba matamda it is related with the belief of the existence of God. Khoi na ningi ba ishor sig mari lena ba adugumba por adu khina religion haina ko gane ba aduna akhoi example da samyeng se temple hairo church hairo mosque hairo ko are the examples of the religious institution neba. Duna religion dharma haiba se dharma akhoi ki dharma dagi ai ne ba ishor ai ni ningliba ishor sing sin aingon da piri ba se asikai no habda achumba aphaba khagi truthfulness ko dagi love shiba asugumba mayam sineba. Duna religion habis it is the source of morality neba khoi gi thaksi kasi khoi gi morality sigi horpham se religion haiba pochina oeba. Aduna religion haiba se sida masina kari tahon ge ham tan sagi self determinations ko dagi making good habits asugumba mayama ingon se sida aigi afaba qualities myam se religious institutions sing magi am chawba role laweba ado lairik phanyam hairaga sumagi character phajadaba character lose oiba kangu mi dudi kanam tana regard to with ko aduna mi ama oiba haita gadi mal khoi lairik la su yam intellectual leiba mi do adu khatana mi na deba ngagi khoi gi lamchat bebar phajaba chumda su khoi gi social emotional haita re ko chumba gi aingon mi ama da chen be aba gun myam leiriba sigumba sing se kamai tawna develop ton ge de haibam tam da kona day by day khoi spontaneously khoi gi life se sida asigumba sing se khoi gi worship or prayer ko asigumba khoi ne thajaba ishor du da sumaina ningba aduga khoi gi mind ji determine tawba asingimba mayam sina su khoi gi morality se mi gi humanities moralities mayam sing se yam develop taweba sida shu definition ama khatang hapke according to Taylor. Religion is the belief in spiritual beings. The religion haiba se as religious institutions sing se asina miyoiba sing sigi yam wild oi raba miyoiba gi wakhan sing asi phathaba ngamba adugumba gi mapham makhakne ba aduna this is also one of the agencies of the informal education. Mathang da number 4 da state haiba sidi state or government ni ko state has the mean tawri se government puni aduna state have say it is an active informal agencies of education because the education should develop under the state guardianship. Have the state guardianship to give makha the education have say long develop tor ko doine ba state or government have the most important them. So among the other agencies the state means government should be the first assigned of education. Habidi masagi lairiba atopa agencies mayam sing sidagi ne state habasna khwai dagi hena maru oiba duguma agency ama khangni maramdi State habasina tarokadoi be mayam si akhoi education people matam se each and every person sing se education people matam de state government habasina law magi responsibility mayam sin lodoi ne aduna state habasidi just a guardian magi guardian na lori ba role do aduma education haba fields de logodori ba ne ba aduna siki function se it has certain functions to functions like ni habidi state say government or state na kari kai tawge habido akoina kitang yeng si ko number 1 2 3 ka point hoina yeng si provide good educational opportunities habidi mi pung kuning magta education se like la su hen na bagi pandam se akanan tawdoina under the state guardianship ne state government ki makhat tawdoni next number 2 the control over the educational institutions run tawdu da nateba educational institutions sigi magi physical resource and the human resource have the physical resource like matam da sagi playground then building then infrastructures asina chingba mayam is koi school ma or college ma to run to matam da sumba physical resource mayam changi physical resource mayam sing su government school or government college sing sigi kanana madugi responsible kanana loin bear to don ham then state government na loin to don then maduda leiba human resource sing harsi oja sing then staff they atopa sing adagi satra su lady ko asigi magi salary bo harasi then financial provisions mayam sing se kanan bear to don state government to ko don aduna sagi state government na mani logo do riba lorja sukimati yamna chawkhre then number 3 the formation of curriculum and syllabus tamgadoriba sagi course of the studies do habadi syllabus or curriculum do adu kanana pigadoriba masagi authority di kanano masagi state government na authority oidoni aduna sida lairiba private schools mayam su lairi ko private schools or private college private universities mayam su lairi ado masagi mana tamning ba do pangtam na tamba yaba na te ba je under the guidelines of the state government masagi state private schools su affiliate tawdoi si kanada no sagi state government ta tawdoi ni aduna di state government na piriba sagi same angang sing sida chap mana ba education system si pina ba gidamak tam khoi syllabus and the curriculum ram sing se prescribe tawdoi ne ba asina aduna khoi sagi private school sing su private college borega su khoi gi sagi state government sing na loina pe pi ba chap mana ba education system asida la ka dori ne then number 4 ta providing the financials sagi finance aina hamchu haigre ko financial provisions mayam singse school lamagi natra college ngi award apa mayam then magi oja singi salary higher staff atopagi any say the pira kadori financial provisions mayam singse kanana biar tok don have the state government na biar tok don then say state government ki school government ki college or the government na toreko adubu say private have a section na like ko private sing di mo ko di autonomous ni mo ko gi administrations and mo ko gi financial di mo ko na dum mo ko gi masana dum tawje ko gi private school sing di masana dum tawje ko financial strategy kitang khenna ba khar la e aduga masa na mako autonomous ni na mako ni masana mo tawjakre then number 5 ta making varieties of educational programs such as workshop seminar then research work etc have the education ki matang da matam dugi oiba darkar oirakpa koina education ki workshop torokpa oja sing ki marak tani khangde na tag educationist myam ki marak tani khangde then seminar torokpa research work tawba si chanda kanai makha tawdun ham tan da si organize tawdoi si kanana have the state government ki loi mamai makha torok doi ne aduna di state government type se asi yamna maru oiba yam important oiba agencies of the informal education ne state government yaudra the education se koi run to organize to sungam ngamoeba then the state government is just like our guardianship name imai pa gumba ne state government haibasi sida so koi gi American is educationist John Dewey na piramba economic definition am khatang hapke the state is the organizations of the public affected through official for the protection of the interests share of its members. Next pointer, mass media si mi lo akhoi loina khangnare ko haidi hujiktadi science and technology sigi so many advanced werabanina mass media na lots of knowledge ne bai koina mass media dei phangise unlimited lots of knowledge we are getting from our mass media khogi mass media me am sitigi loi knowledge yam phangra jani bako aduna mass media si yam lomi phungphuni mun loin khangna re what is mass media is the term used to mean all the device or instrument of communication in the form of knowledge, information, news, report, advertise, etc. And any information, any karigumba amagi information kuting mak phangi ba se asi kara in kana no haim mass media de khoi loi phangdoi ngak tane ba which can reach the large number of people in a wide area at the same time. Koi me a large number of people says that koi na matam amata da mi pung kuni ma says any information pi bang mi se kana khutang dai no have the mass media ji khutang dane ba aduna mass media se kari manung jan ge haiba khoi sum yeng se mass media include the printed materials as well as the electronic device. Printed materials to mass media da mayam chale, then electronic device mayam su chale ko adu si yeng si suppose printed materials the newspaper, journals, the leaflet, pamphlet haibana sing ba sumba mayam laigre, then advertise tawdi ba koi poster ka thel mayam sing se asi ju mass media ni aduna se lokhatsi newspaper harsi newspaper amadagi from a newspaper magi content se so ki matik jawe ba duna huji thoi ba the current affairs mayam sing sai kon printed materials da mass media is the loin ba collection to ba yai ba mass media magi content se so ki matik yam gre habidi mache da politics yaw gre the present gi current affairs mayam yaw gre se the war Hujik thoiba thodo wathong mayam sing se akoina newspaper amadagi loina collection to ba yaiba don newspaper amana akoida pi ba knowledge mayam se asukki matik yam graba knowledge mayam ne de akoigi printed materials ta pi newspaper amagi yam kana mayam lai khare ko aduna mahiroi chhatra amana newspaper asi nungti delhi ki sumpar ga di mangon da gyan to da knowledge asukki matik yam na lai khare ba magi demerit chama khakti lai kari no have tam da those who are the illiterate persons lai hekta ba missing to gi di magi newspaper ki kana ba se phangdre ko aduma lai re next radio have a radio mana koi hearing device ni audio device ni masigi audio devices na koi da pi ba kana ba se no magi manung da sando iba or radio mana ma broadcast story ba program yam sing se so ki varieties of programs ni ba adna sigi program sing sida ki koi na educational value chain be programs mayam su yauri ba asida ki koi na dum learn to hobo yai ba aduna day to day life se sida koi na electronic device nga sai radio da ki sando iba program yam example da koi news harsi then youth program da koi gi education ga mari lena the youth program harsi ko masai sida quiz program ni khangde then magi discussion ni khangde so many varieties of programs me ama koi broadcast story ba radio da masai so koi na nungti ge dum spontaneously dum nungti ge hobo yai ba duna radio dai kana ba mayam su hobo yai ba next television harsi television harsi audio visual aids ni masagi na khangna ta ba duna taba sidana ubam su yar ko din audio visual aids da gi su ko na pitri ki kasin gya sin ba tungna thoi ba thodo wa thok sing chai ko na we can help from the television ko na loin ba loksan ba yai ba duna koigi television live telecast kumba hujik thoi ba thok da je koi live telecast da thador de goi hujik ba dum yeng ba phangi ne ba then atop pai koina punchi si da koi mi amana loin ba mi amagi khongset da uraroi da ba phangroi da ba pot mayam am television gi khuthang de koina loin ba yeng ba phangdoi ne anan television ga habi si so koina yam important hoi ba dugum ba agency am khak ne ba next computer hai si ko computer hai se hujik ki matam se the modern age is known as the age of computer hujik ti modern age computer gi juk ne ba computer habs na ngam da ba thawak sam ta leitra bane aduna computer da ki ga khoina lori ba kana ba mayam sing se khoina ka ma gi manung da phamaga agi so many agi darkar oi ba require materials mayam sing khoina net ta gi yeng dana google da gi sing dana so every kana mayam loin lo ba yare ba duna computer is na ngam da ba je hujik ti am fantastic ni magi role si computer is achok ki mat gyang rab jani aduna masida gi khoina lori ba knowledge mayam sing si koina sisu unlimited lots of the knowledge ne ba koina we can get from the news from the computer aduna it is also one of the most important agencies of the education informal education next cinema sisu mass media gi manung chale cinema se koina entertainment oina dum sijinaraga then entertainment du dagi koina lahoba ya ba mangon the knowledge me am yauri ba suppose koina different types of the cinema si yengam the different country ki cinema me am si yengam tam da lamadu da chatna riba magi chatna lonchat living style then food dress the language magi habits it's and every which are related with that of the cinema. Adugi cinema aduga mari lainari ba lamdu mari everything we can get from the cinema. Koi cinema adudagi loina loksan hoba yai ba. Koi zanabi mi ma'am sing zanabi singja koi loin bak singja khachu khangde dana adu cinema gumba yenga di entertainment oina su yengba yai as well as koi na cinema adudagi madugi kana ba message ma'am so koi na hoba yai ba present crisis ke oiro then history boiro then religious ki maram da boiro then sports ki maram da boiro science and technology ki maram da boiro piri ba cinema aduna piri ba my motion picture duna piri ba message ma'am ding da koi na loi ba collection ta hoba yai ba asi chu one of the agencies name sigi mayam sing se beside the bookish knowledge, the mass media have a very powerful, active role in all aspects of our life. Then bookish knowledge, like the Pangba knowledge, do Kaknatana Koina, Sugumba mass media, Gumbadagi Fangi, but a very powerful, active role, Machine low river magi roles, Yam Chow Rubber neighbor. Next, library. Library has the library has the is a collections of books, books, journal, then periodicals, magazines, pamphlet, publications, documents, etc. Ado sagi library has the what definition or in the word of Bacon, reading makes a full man. Habidi lyric pa habisina full man ichasi makung pahale habani ko. Aduna library ama habisigi magi importance students amagi life to chokki matik mamanyam kareba. Maramdi koina higher class yoksala ko matamda di students sing sina ke dogi habi matamda lyric sing se varieties of books se magi require darkar ore eba haidi mana paningi ba khangningi ba topic to gi sim naina ko matamda lyric ama ani da koi sufficient orak ta matam yai. Aduna higher education yok matamda di koina varieties of books se ko consult tor taib matamanda koi mi amana man hek pami ba larik ase koi leiba haiba se kana gumba ina kara khum gi ba kangbu dingam ki bai but koi gi lairba students ngi damakta di madu gumba sing do koi ngam da banina khoina larik si wairaga word card amasi semaga khoina larik si wairaga pa ba yaiba duna like aduna ngasagi library habisna man magi kana ba myam sa sokki mati kana gareba it just like the heart of the school magi heart kumbani habin ko adun magi collection to go do like myam sing aduna sagi learners myam sing to loin ba magi pa ba ge adu magi facilities myam sing to loin phangan doine ba aduna there are different types of library legani the public library, national library, state library and the academic library asmain to the library suma khan gi legre ko yam chawba national gi library then state ki chule public haraga na kun club kumbada dekai da thami basna public library ka then academic library hairo academic library habisna school da college da belongs to ordinary library library sing academic library ko and the varieties of libraries me am sing ta gi khoi gi satra sing na man hek pamakpa magi required or ba magi lyric sing do adu da gi loin ba wara ga sijina ba yai ba dun library habisa it is very much important for the education like education habits teaching education habits the library habits tana ba yadaba adumba agency amane. Then the last point is the Boy Scouts and the Girls Guide movement. The Boy Scouts movement was founded by Lord Baden-Powell in 1908 in order to teach the boys and the girls for their duties towards the state, towards the neighbor, towards the nation and the world as a whole. Habidi ngasagi Boy Scouts and the Girls Guide movement haidna haudore si koigi 1 century gumba hele ko 1908 da haudora kibani masai da koina train tawdoi se thousands of the boys and the girls sing se asi makoi da kari gunjel handoi na makoi sing se karmain to handoi na haib matam da makoi sing se tambi bane ba kari tambi bano makoi ki service to the neighbor ko to the state to the nation and the world as a whole hais ni ko aduna loan bak sai da makoi na ngamjaba magi contribution khar do angang sing gi contribution khar do mayam sing ji da magi social work ke dumba kaino do hon bane ba character do sel han bane ba aduna its organization aim at building of national character in future citizens sagi tungi haurakadori ba future citizens is the national characters is adugum bane aduna si beyond the academic line ni ko khoi academy habidi school college ta tawriba tamiba like se asiki wang madani mo khoi leisure time da khoi boy scouts and the girls guide kan se asina mo khoi da kari develop ta honge have matam da this is also develop many qualities in boys and the girls like sensitiveness, spirit of the self-sacrifice, social service, cheerfulness, loyalty towards the states, obedience to the leaders, self-discipline, self-control, sincerity, and the patriotism. हाइबदी मी अमदा चेनगदब गुणसिंगसे आंगांसिंगसिदा मखोइन ट्रेन तौरकान गुणसिंगसे चेलहनबनेबा आंगांसिंगसे अखोइनि आंगांसिंग हाइबसि कनानो हाइबदा तुंगी फ्यूचर सिटीजन ओइदोरिनेबा अदुना असिगुम्बा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंग असिना hundreds of the thousands of boys and the girls मैम सिंगसिबा सुबा क्वालिटीज मैम सिंगदो मखोइ चेलहनबनेबा अदुना मसिगी मरु ओइबि एम द साउंड माइंड इन ए साउंड बॉडी हाइदना मखोइ सिंगसे साउंड मसा सिंगसे खोइगी हेल्दी सोहनबा को अदे कैरेक्टर फजाहनबा अदे अतोपगी सेवा तौनिंगबसे मखोइ पेट्रोटिक पोहनबा सेवा तब पोहनबा देन ममा लेबा पुनुंगसिबा चुमना खोगी मागी ngamjaba contribution खरदंग अंगांग ओरिङै मतम सेसिदा अदुगुम्बा पीबदो अदुगुम्बगी movement ama khakne ba masigi movement asibo asisu one of the most important ne because khoigi angang sing sigi magi hujik lai riba magi mongon da chen gi ba gun sing asina magi kadau doina future magi life ta ju magi gun sing se dum chen doine ba dun de hayeng man future citizen or kuma tam da di saigi society gi damak then national gi damak ta hen develop tor ko doine dunna matang se da informal agencies haibadi koigi council na piriba syllabus ta prescribe toriba informal agencies sing do adu hi discuss to lore next na formal agency gi formal agency sing do adu lokha chali